Welcome to Broadway Upholstery School online classes, where you can learn how to upholster from the convenience and comfort of your own home. Really, what we're going to be doing is presenting 6 weeks of really good content with a student learner just like yourself, and so far the content has been marvelous. Let me explain a little bit about the classes. They're online classes. They are pre-recorded, but they're very recently pre-recorded classes. They're week to week, so you're going to see the progress the student is making, and the student is key here because he's asking the right questions for you at home. But if you do have questions, we're going to have a live chat along with that pre-recorded show. And if we don't get to all the questions, or we don't answer all the questions, we're going to have, every Friday, we're going to have live YouTube chat. So I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to cover most of the questions. That said, you don't even have to be upholstering as you're watching the shows, because we feel confident that the content of the shows is so rich that I think just viewing them and taking notes also is a good thing. From a beginner to an advanced, I think what you're going to find is you're going to learn things you've never learned before. So how do you sign up? Well, you go to BroadwayUpholsterySchool.com and you go into the portal, sign up, and you'll see in there you can either sign up for a class, a 6-week class, which I suggest that you do to see what we're doing to get used to it. And then really we're looking for members to sign up for a year, and I think there's better value. I know there's better value in that. We want to establish relationships with people. We want to hear your stories. This is going to be an opportunity on our website to socialize and to maybe talk to other members and get your story out there. We're really interested in those things. So let's get going upholstery. Come on, let's go. Join in the fun. Jump in the pool. Have some fun.